And we begin first up with the big news break that's coming in from Karnataka. It's the political advisor of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, B.R. Patil, who's tendered his resignation amid a revolt that has only been widening in Karnataka Congress. So B.R. Patil having tendered his resignation, this comes amid the power tussle in Karnataka Congress, which is the ruling dispensation in the state. B.R. Patil, who's been a close aide of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, has tendered his resignation. First up, listening to that statement that's coming in from B.R. Patil, who's resigned from the post of political advisor of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah.
बहुत दिन से मैं सोच रहा था कि मैं इस्तीफा दे दूं, लेकिन राज्यपाल जी का जो अनुमोदन नहीं मिला था ऑफिस ऑफ प्रॉफिट का बिल के बारे में, उसलिए मैं इतना दिन रोका। वो क्लियर हो गया, राज्यपाल जी ने उसको मान्यता दी है, इसके बाद तो क्लियर हुआ। तो मैं पहले डिसाइड किया था, राजीनामा दे दिया। नहीं, समस्या है, बगैर समस्या हम ऐसा इस्तीफा देने का मतलब ही नहीं है। जो भी है सीएम से बात करता हूँ, मैं ओपनली बात नहीं करता। अनुदान भी है और भी है समस्या।
हिरिय सचिवर
ना सारा कुछ प्रॉब्लम है।
Now, while B.R. Patil has not detailed as to what was the exact reason for him tendering his resignation, he's accepted that, yes, there are rumblings in Karnataka Congress. Parallelly, it's the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah who says that there is absolutely no discord in Karnataka Congress. Listen in to that statement of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah.
ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಪತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಲಕೋಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಓದಿಲ್ಲ. ಲಕೋಟಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬರುವಾಗ ಬಂತು, ಅದು ನಾನು ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ.
And BJP leader LOP R. Ashoka, who's responded to the growing rumblings in Karnataka Congress. Let's listen in to that statement that's coming in from the opposition in Karnataka.
B.R. Patil ಅವರು ಎರಡನೇ ಬಾರಿ ಇದು. ಅವರು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅನುದಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರೊಬ್ಬರದೇ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಅಳುವು. ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ MLAನೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನುದಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ರಾಯರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಅನುದಾನ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. B.R. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅನುದಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ರೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಒಬ್ಬರು ನಮಗೆ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪಂದನೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು B.R. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾಕೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗಿದು ಬೀಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಅವ್ರ ಮಾತು, ಸಿಎಂ ಮಾತೆ ಯಾರು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಒಂಥರ ಇದು ಅದೇನೋ ಬೀಡಾಡಿ ದನದ ಅಂತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇದು.
Let's go across to Sri Lakshmi. She's joining us live from the Kannada newsroom. Sri Lakshmi, the discord in the Karnataka Congress is now in the open. Of course, there has been a power tussle with speculation rife that it's going to be D.K. Shivakumar who will be helming the government starting October this year. But tell us more about B.R. Patil having tendered his resignation. He's voiced openly that, yes, there are rumblings, which is why he's tendered his resignation.
Well, Samiksha, as you rightly pointed out, there are 2-3 facts there in Congress. One belongs to D.K. Shivakumar, another, Dr. G. Parmeshwar, Mallikarjun Kharge. So many power centers are there in Congress, and it is a bit tough for Siddaramaiah to, sail through easily to retain his power. But B.R. Patil, being one of the senior politicians, and he stayed with Siddaramaiah since 2-3 decades. He was there with Siddaramaiah, and now he's expressing his dissent and dissatisfaction over the way Siddaramaiah government is functioning. Today morning, while talking to me also, he expressed his unhappiness, deep unhappiness, that the funds are not being given, and he has written everything in the letter. That's what he has said. He's not ready to speak in front of the camera regarding these issues, but the issues are there, problems are there. That's what he has accepted. He said if Siddaramaiah invites him for a talk, he'll go and once again explain. He's also said that it is said that several ministers of Siddaramaiah cabinet have not behaved properly with seniors like B.R. Patil. We can even remember that another senior congressman, Basavaraj Rai Reddy, has also expressed long back that shortage of funds are causing a lot of harm to Siddaramaiah government. And now the big question, Samiksha, is it because of guarantee schemes? Is it because of these freebies that Siddaramaiah government is falling short of funds, and MLAs are expressing their rebelliousness? Even if we can observe that Raju Khage, another MLA, has expressed his unhappiness, and Kadur MLA Anand has also expressed a bit of dissatisfaction over the shortage of funds, that they are not ready, they're not able to continue with the developmental works in their constituencies. Now, R. Ashok, leader of opposition, has also said that there's a long queue behind B.R. Patil, that many other MLAs are also ready to submit their resignation,
Yes.
which may cause the destabilization of Siddaramaiah government.
Yes.
Samiksha.
Yes, Sri Lakshmi, thank you for the moment, and thank you for putting this in context, because this is a double whammy that the Karnataka government is facing. One is, of course, the discord in the party itself, and the second being the financial crisis.